And yes, this guy was me, bro. And if you think that your looks, your confidence, your communication skills are not that much good, so you can beat me the old me easily, right? Because I was not aware of the fact that I'm not looking like a good guy, right? I don't have good physique, I don't have a static body, and I don't know how can I improve my communications, like people will respect me and talk with me. And if you think that you can also do that, sure, you can always do that. But this is my just a 5 year of journey that I have to transform from zero to a good guy, from the good aesthetic boy, right? And I will show you in the next 8 minutes exactly how can I follow these things step by step so that you can become the person you want to become, like in terms of communications, looks, and body, right? But first thing, you have to comment down like which part of the area you are trying to improve first, because I am replying to the top first 50 comments, and in personally I will tell you and guide you some of the steps which your problem you're telling in the comments. So comment it now. So let's start the video. So I was the guy who had zero confidence, like I don't know what to speak in front of the people. Girls never looked at me, and the boys never rely on myself, right? Because they think that I'm not a good guy and I don't have any good physique, I have don't any decision making skill, and I don't know how to talk with the people, because randomly I can just be in a group with so many of people and just randomly talking shit about themselves, and they think that I don't know like what the things are going in their lives, right? So this was I was the guy, right? And I know you guys are also doing the same mistake in terms of communications, and people are not inviting you into your parties because you are not looking that much good, you are not that particular cool guy, the guy who said that
I am the cool guy. I think I have to understand each and everything of the life because I am a party guy and a cool Jeffrey guy, right? But this thing is
doesn't work like that, right? You have to be present in yourself, right? You have a confidence in yourself to be in a people, like in a group of people, and people will instantly attracted to you, girls will respect you, girls will getting attracted to you, and they are subconsciously replied to each and everything you said, and they listen about those things. So number one is improving your body. So if you want to improve yourself, the body is number one thing that people are seeing, that you have built a good physique and frame. Your shoulders must be broad, right? And your chest must be wide, and you are looking like a good guy, because most of the times guys are looking so much of fat. There are two categories of people in the world right now. So one guys who are just fat and ugly, and one guy who is just very lean and also ugly. So if you're a guy who constantly worried about their looks, so you just have to hit the gym. Just start your gym membership, just start your gym workout, right? If nobody is coming to join you, then you have to save yourself, because it's your duty that you have to look a manly man, that people will respect you and admire you. You just have to go to the gym and start everything, each and everything which comes in your mind in terms of workout. Eventually you will learn those things, like how can you push your exercise, how can you train your biceps, what is progressive overload, how can you pick the reps, sets, repetitions, and all that. These things you eventually improve, but your first step is to join the gym. When you join the gym, you will improve yourself and be in a good calorie deficient diet. So it's depend on your goal. If you are lean, then you have to in a calorie surplus, but if you are a fat guy, you have to do cardio and also in a calorie surplus diet, right? And if you want that I have to make a video on how to lean and how to gain weight, right, then comment in down, I will also create a video for that. Until then, you can watch the video which I have mentioned into the description section, like how can you transform yourself from a lean to a static guy. Like I have created a video, just check in the description, right? So this is the number one thing that you should have to look yourself in, because when your body improve, your confidence improve, your charm improve, you look good, and people will automatically respect the man who is disciplined. So that's the main thing. And number second is you have to improve yourself in terms of look, and people will automatically respect you if you are a good in shape and also good looking guy, right? And good looks is just not about the genetics, bro. It's about how you keep yourself ready for the party, how you maintain yourself, how you maintain your posture. So that's a discipline. Because if you just follow these things for the next 30 days, I will show you in just 2 minutes, then you should have to see those changes in yourself that you are going to take. Every girl is getting attracted to you. People automatically see you, that your face has been glow up. You are looking good personality, and you know how to talk, how to walk. So number one is your hairs. So if you are a guy who have a short hair, and if you're a guy with long hair, you just have to cut your hair or just have to grow your hair long. Suits different types of hairstyles on your face, so that you can think that how you can just have to manage your hair properly. Wash your hairs right and do whatever you want to do, like be in a good shape, cut your hair with a good barber so that you can understand what type of hairstyle suit on you. Try different type of experiment, because I have done so, and that thing I have looking good in the long hair, right? And number two is skincare. So most of the guys think that skincare is just only for the girls. It is not for the man, but it is not like that, bro. Mostly the man who is just take care of himself, they are the guy who are just attracting so many of the people come to them, they are not chasing the people, right? And if you are the guy who doesn't have any skincare guide, right, so you just have to apply some of the face wash on your face in the starting of the day and at the end of the day, and right, so that your skin will become get oxygen from the while you are sleeping, right? And you just apply one moisturizer, right, and one skincare routine. And the skincare routine, you just have to only apply one sunscreen, because it's protect your skin from any of the harmful effect from the outer world, right? And number third thing is that your clothes, what type of cloth you wear that cloth which automatically fit you, not too tight, not too loose, just a cloth which fits you. Like if I can show you that I just only have to wear only t-shirt, right? So this you can see that according to my body, this fit in my arms, like my arms are fitted in this. So you just have to wear a good quality clothes, not just like last but not the least, communications. And if you are the guy who doesn't have any good communication, you will not improve in any of the field, whether it's in terms of dating, whether in terms of into work, in terms of relationships. Because communication is the key that most of the world are running nowadays, right? In Instagram, in Snapchat, in WhatsApp calls, like in face-to-face person, everybody is connecting with each other in communication. And if you don't know how to act and how to behave on that, in terms of communication, like how can you talk with the seniors, how can you talk with juniors, girls, boys, that don't have a right to fit in any of the conversation, right? And girl will not automatically respect you. Because I found myself, when I try to improve communications, like it's made me so much of uncomfortable, right? But when I do the hard things each and every single days, I ask one girl out, right? I join the group which I don't think I have to go, right? But this is the hard thing that I push myself so that I can get a good communication. Because at first everybody get laugh at you, and if you don't know how to act, then you will punish yourself, right? So communication is the main practice that you have to do that. And if you want a complete video in only in terms of communication, like how can you improve your communication in terms of dating, like how to talk with the girls, comment communication in the comment section, I will make a complete full guide video on communication as well, right? You can see that my 5-year journey, and now that I have improved so much that I can think that I can stand out in some of the place in the top 10% of the guy, because I think I have a good body, right? I think I have increased my communication skills, and also my looks has been improved, right? And if you follow these things, you can always become better in the next 30 days. Just follow these things for 30 days. And yes, if you guys think that you're getting so far in the life, your genetics are not good, it has been gifted out, then you are wrong, buddy. It's not like that. Everybody is going to improve one day, right? You just have to work on yourself. You just have to do those things consistently. It's not matter whether you are motivated for it or not, but you have to do it anyway, right? And if you want any serious conversation up with me, like about like how the things you are facing in terms of any self-improvement stuff, in any dating psychological, you can comment in the section. Like I will answer you the first 50 comments personally. I will tell and guide them, like solve their problem. So you can just we can just meet on the comment. And if you think that this video will change your life, some of the things that you understand now, like just comment and like this video and subscribe this channel so that I can get motivated. And if you want next video on anything, you can just write on the comment. See you guys. Thank you.